Welcome to Huawei, a local global company. Founded in 1987, Huawei has grown from an emerging startup to the second largest telecom vendor in the world. Today, 1 in 3 people in over 140 countries connects through a Huawei network. 90% of the world's top 50 operators have selected Huawei as a technology partner. And in 2010, Huawei revenues reached $28 billion. Our commitment to customer-centric innovation is clear, with nearly half of our 110,000 employees worldwide actively engaged in research and development. In 2009, Huawei was ranked number 2 globally in patent applications, and we've made many significant contributions to global standard organizations and industry associations. Huawei has been recognized by many accredited institutions, including Forbes, Businessweek, The Economist, and many others. As part of Huawei's globalization plan, the U.S. office was established in Plano, Texas in 2001. In 2002, the U.S. team developed the world's first super WDM technology, supporting 5,000-kilometer optical transmission without a regenerator, helping our DWDM product become number 1 in the world. In 2003, Huawei attended the CTIA Wireless Show for the first time, our first step towards U.S. market deployment. 1 year later, Huawei successfully launched the CDMA network for our first U.S. customer, ClearTalk, the first major milestone in successfully executing our step-by-step strategy. In the years that followed, Huawei continued to build its U.S. presence and expertise to drive innovation and support U.S. customers. In 2007, we expanded our customer base and product offerings with the deployment of the Northwest markets for Leap Wireless. U.S. revenues exceeded $100 million. 2009 was a big year with the successful launch of the wireless network for Leap in Chicago. That year, Huawei also deployed the world's first 4T4R WiMAX technology for Clearwire, significantly improving network performance and reducing costs. Simultaneously, our R&D team in Santa Clara conducted the world's first next-generation PON trial for Verizon, increasing network performance 5 times. Today, Huawei's U.S. presence has grown to encompass 12 offices and 7 R&D centers. By developing innovative solutions with significant benefits for our customers over the past 5 years, Huawei has experienced a 15 times sales growth, a 6 times growth in employees, which now number over 1,100, a 7 times growth in R&D investment that reached $103 million in 2010, and a 10 times growth in U.S. patents. Additionally, our purchases from U.S.-based companies have increased 3 times to $6.1 billion in 2010, the equivalent of creating an estimated 32,000 new jobs. Corporate social responsibility is a key value at Huawei. We have been recognized for our valuable contributions to the local economies and communities through employee volunteer hours and donations to disaster relief. Additionally, Huawei has invested over $10 million with U.S. universities such as Harvard, NYU, MIT, and Rutgers, among others, to fund research programs. In the next 10 years, people will live in a connected world where users will have seamless access to information at any time, anywhere. Huawei is well positioned to meet the needs of operators, enterprises, and consumers with seamlessly integrated ICT strategies on cloud, pipe, and devices. And as always, Huawei US will continue to drive innovation with the goal of enriching people's lives through communication. This is Huawei, a customer-centric innovator, a local economy contributor, a global telecom leader, and a true local global company.